Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tune Beam Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So I will show you two different methods by using iPhone. So let's start. The first method is by using a JBL Headphones app. So here is the JBL Headphones app. I will open this app. So here you can see JBL Tune Beam is already connected. So I will select it, and then inside the JBL Tune Beam, I have to scroll down, and at very last you see this option of support. So you have to select this support option. Once you open this support page, here you can see the number 4 option is about reset to factory settings. Just select this option, and then it will give you two different options. You can reset or you can cancel. So as we want to reset it, so I will select reset. Now it will take you out of the app and it will start the reset process. So here you can see the reset is done completely. Now what we have to do, we have to reconnect our earbuds with our iPhone. So I will go out of the app, and then I will open the Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this, and then again I will press and hold this Bluetooth icon, and I select this Bluetooth settings. So once you enter into the Bluetooth settings, you see here is the JBL Tune Beam available. But if I try to select it and if I try to connect it, the connection will be failed. So what you have to do, you have to follow a procedure. I will show you that procedure. So here you can see after few seconds it will say the connection is failed. So we will just have to wait few seconds. So here you can see it is saying connection unsuccessful. So what you have to do, you have to press OK, and then you have to insert your earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert both of my earbuds one by one. So I will insert this right one, and then I will insert this left earbud. Now again what you have to do, you have to select this JBL Tune Beam. Now if you select it, it will say connection unsuccessful, but here it is giving you the option of forget device. So I will select this forget device option. Now what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth, and then you also have to close the charging case. So now I will close this charging case. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to turn on the Bluetooth, and then you have to open the charging case. So I will open the charging case. So now here you can see after few seconds it will show you JBL Tune Beam as available devices. So now here you can see it is giving me the JBL Tune Beam option. So I will just select it. Once you select it, it will start making a connection, and here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now connected successfully with my iPhone. If you want to check it, you can also check it through the app. So I will go out of the Bluetooth settings, and then I open the JBL Headphones app. So here is the JBL Headphones app, and you can see JBL Tune Beam is now connected, and I can use all the features and functionalities. Now let's talk about the second method for hard reset, and in this method we will only use earbuds. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this, and then again I will press and hold it, and then I select Bluetooth settings. So now what you have to do, first of all, you have to take out your earbuds and you have to wear them. So I will take out this left earbud, and then I will wear it. And then I will also take out the right earbud. So here is the right earbud. So after putting the right earbud in your ears, you have to tap on it 3 times, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So for example, if I tap it like this, 1 2 3, and on the third tap I will press and hold it for 5 seconds. So now I will wear it, and I tap on it 3 times. So 1 2 3. So now you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds you will hear a voice prompt which says power off. And after you hear this beep, your JBL Tune Beam will also get disconnected from your phone. So here you can see it is showing JBL Tune Beam not connected. So that means the hard reset is done completely. Now what you can do is you can put your earbuds back into the charging case if you want to make a connection. So what I will do, I will just put these earbuds back into the charging case. So here I will put them, and then what you have to do in the first step, you have to select this JBL Tune Beam, and then it will say connection unsuccessful. So here you can see it is saying connection unsuccessful, and then here you have to forget device. Now what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth, and then you have to close your charging case, and then open the Bluetooth, and then also open your charging case. So now it will show you JBL Tune Beam, and now if you select it, it will start making a connection, and this time it will connected successfully. So here you can see JBL Tune Beam is now completely hard reset, and it is also get reconnected with my iPhone. Again, if you want to check it through the app, you can also check it. So I will go out of the Bluetooth, and then I will open the JBL Headphones app. And here you can see JBL Tune Beam is already connected with my app, and I can use all the features and functionalities. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.